Hello all, welcome to the unboxing video of Airzeen Q10 Pro, a robot vacuum cleaner. The packaging looks quite robust. It does offer multiple key features like an automatic dust collection, laser navigation, editable maps, and all-in-one vacuum and mop. I'm sure that's going to come really handy. Okay, let's go ahead and open. First things first, they have provided a really smart quick start guide. So in this, you just need to get all the information basically on how to use the Q10 Pro. Oh, at the back there is a QR code to scan and download the app. Connect the Q10 Pro to the app and just go ahead and straight use it. Okay, keep that to the side. Moving on. No, that's the detailed version of the user manual, I believe. Yeah, that's right. So that's the user manual in multiple languages. Then we have an aftermarket card. Okay, with some information regarding the Airzeen. Okay, at the top we have an, okay, I believe that's the mop. Yeah, that's the mop which will get attached to the Q10 Pro. Okay, moving on. Oh yes, that's the actual machine. I'll just quickly open it for you. Wow, that looks nice. So that's the Q10 Pro. Okay, it does have function of adding one brush. I believe there will be a brush in here. Yes, there are two brushes which they have given. I think one of them will go here if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's right. Okay, that's your brush. It does have multiple lasers to navigate. Okay, that's good. Okay, keeping that aside, and the user manuals here. We have some extra attachments. So we have a filter, we have a brush to collect the dirt. Okay. And towards the end they have given, I think this is the station in which all the dust will be collected. So yes, I will open this again. Yes, that's right. This is the station wherein the vacuum will rest and collect all the data. Again, this comes with a few extra mops, a bag to hold all the dust. All of this was inside this smartly packed. That's the station from the back. Okay, it will collect all the dust, I believe. Yes. And this is how it looks once you basically install it. That's it. Everything in the box. Thank you for your time and viewing the unboxing of Q10 Pro Airzeen.